participating in a collaboration with Secondhand Tracy Ann, and we are supposed to share a thrifted cookie jar that we had thrifted. I almost did not do this collab because I had so many thrifted collabs this month, and this one, the style of the cookie jar and the style that I was looking for, I had a hard time finding, but I did end up finding it, just like I ended up finding for my other challenge that I did. But I had purchased two of them. First I purchased one because I almost gave up, and then I went out one last time and boom, I found exactly what I was looking for, and I was absolutely thrilled. So I'm going to share that with you now. Look at this, guys. I had found this gingerbread cookie jar at a thrift store for $2.50. Can you believe that? I do not know where this came from, how much it'll cost originally, because I have never seen one before, but I was over the moon pleased that I had found this because it goes so well with my little tier tray that I decorated with all my gingerbread stuff. I had thrifted these two as well, which was a separate video that I will link down below. But isn't this just adorable? And I had added some Lindor chocolate balls in it, and I think I'm the only one that knows that the chocolate balls are in there. Did not share that with my family. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the playlist down below of all the other thrifted cookie jars, and like I said, it looks so good in this little setup. So if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to press that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out any of my posts. This is part of Vlogmas because I'm participating in Vlogmas this month, so there is a different video every day. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.